All praises to Yahweh Shem Shai. Right now you have a company called TNT pressure washing services, and they pressure wash semis and everything, and it's something different, just like Great Millstone is something different. They show me a different doctrine in the Bible, so it's like them TNT. As you can see, it's they're doing something different, and they're showing me something different, just like Great Millstone has, You see the dude power washing. So it's definitely something different. So somewhere. So it's definitely like different similar to Great Millstone, so definitely something different. So see you soon for another lesson.